Okay, so I'm in the tech support group for real estate agents on Facebook, and I saw that Jessica was asking about, how do you do Facebook ads? Does it work? And, should people actually do that? So there was a tons of comments where people were saying, trying to figure out what to do, right? Even like right here, you see Doug. He says, what's working best? I just found all the different ad choices confusing about what actually works. So I'm going to show you real quick the fastest, easiest way any realtor can get started with Facebook ads. Like as soon as you watch this video, or even while you're watching the video, you could just pause it and do the things that I'm going to show you real quick, and you can have an ad live within 5 or so minutes, okay? Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is go over to your real estate site. I'm just going to use Sean's site as an example and just pick the house that you want to market, okay? So figure out whatever featured listing it is that you want to advertise. I'll use the one here on Marquee. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to grab that link. So I just take Control-C to copy the link. And now what you do is you go over to your Facebook page. Okay, I'm going to just use my test kitchen. It's my little page that I just play around with. And what you do is you come right here, all right, and you make a post and you paste the link that you just copied from your website right here into a new post. Okay. Now, once that happens, hopefully there's a picture. Now, in this case, you see there's no picture, so I actually need to go and get a photo from the website. So I can come back over here, all right, try to pick out a photo that looks awesome. One of the kitchen, maybe. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so I can use that one, right? Let's see, where'd that go? Okay, well, I'll just use whatever picture I can grab right now. So I'm just going to save this picture. Alright, save that, so it's picture 12. Now, you see there's this box right here. Okay, so Facebook will let you upload a photo. If you don't already have one there, of course. I mean, you may just have a photo that shows up automatically, which is even better. Alright, so there you've got a picture. Now, what I'm going to do here is we can change this headline. Okay, so in this case, I might put something like new listing, and find some kind of feature about it over here that you want to mention, like 3,000 square feet. Almost, so I just can say that, right? Like almost 3,000 square feet. Oh, that new listing, almost 3,000 square feet in Arlington. All right, and then here you could change that up if you want to change it up. Okay, you can just the same way you can click on it and you can change that text. Now, because we have the link and everything here, we don't need this link up here in the text. So here I'm just going to put some kind of statement like, check out okay, so see, so you basically do it, oops. Alright, so just something simple like that, right? Check out the newest home for sale in Arlington. Click below for details or call the number, alright? And then you've got a photo, you've got a nice headline, you've got some text here. Alright, so now I'm just going to hit publish. And once you've hit publish, it's just a post on your page, right? The same way that all the other posts are on your page. You see, most people are going to have this boost post option. Stay away from that. There's no reason to do that because it doesn't get you the same results, okay? So now what you do is go back over to your normal Facebook, and on the sidebar you will probably have an ads manager, or it may say create an ad. Okay, you can also go to facebook.com/ads/manager, and that'll take you into the same place. Okay, now once you're into here, what you're going to want to do is click on create an ad. Okay, so once this finishes launching, you click right here on create an ad, the little green button in the top right hand corner, and that's going to let you actually create a new ad here within the ads manager. And we're going to do boost your post, because we're going to use that post that we just created over on the fan page, or the business page. Sorry, I don't know why it's going a little bit slow this morning. Okay, so here you're going to just pick out the page that you want to use. So I'm going to put in here the test kitchen. And then it's going to pull up a list of posts that you've recently made on your page, and probably it should be that last post. Okay, so now I'm going to hit set audience and budget. So this is really the most important part here, because this is going to determine who sees the ad. All right, so when you're going through here, in this case, like it's a house for sale in Arlington, so I would probably just put Arlington. Okay, Facebook is going to automatically give you a +25, and you can shrink that down anywhere from +10 to +50, or you can just take out the plus, right? So you can just market just the city. Okay, this house is $269. So what I might do is target people that are like maybe 35 to 50. Oops, rats. Sorry. Okay. And then if you wanted to, you could do more. You can get into more targeting, right? You can get here into the detailed targeting and target just renters, or you could target people that are, right, we could get in here and say, okay, I only want to target people that are married. You know, I know they got two, you know, they got maybe 2 incomes and that sort of thing. Maybe they need a bigger house like that. All right, so then that takes it from 130,000. You see over here, it tells us our reach all the time. So right now it's telling us that we could get this ad in front of 55,000 people in Arlington that are 35 to 50 that are married. Okay. Now if you come down here, it's going to tell you how many people you're going to reach. So here it's telling us, let me change this to, I don't know why it always says $11. It's so weird. So here for $10 a day, we could get in front of 960 to 2,500 people on Facebook and 200 to 530 people on Instagram. All right, all that, you're going to get all that action for $10 a day, basing here on post engagement. Now you can see you could change this, and you could, you know, move that to impressions, for example, and you're going to get in front of a lot more people. Okay. So now if you just go down, choose Ad Creative, and it's going to show you a preview of the post as an ad. You see the only difference is that they add the word sponsored right here. So there's like the example on the desktop news feed. Here's the example for the mobile. And if you chose to leave it on the desktop right column, which I'm going to suggest that we remove that, okay, it's going to do that as well. And also you can come down here and see the preview for Instagram if you run it there. Okay. So once you've done your previews, you like the way everything looks, you just hit place order, and Facebook is going to go through an approval process, and then they'll send you a Facebook notification and probably an email to let you know that your post has gone through, and then you'll be able to preview it on Facebook and all those sort of things. But that's the simplest, easiest way to get started. So I hope, sorry, I meant to keep over here on that group. So I hope that everybody that was asking those questions here within the tech support group, that helps make sense of like how easy it is to to get started. So obviously there's more deeper things you can do, but that's a fast way to get started. So I hope that answered your question, Jessica and Doug and others within that thread. See ya.